Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming essentials. Chrome installed, signed into your Google account, and sync turned on if you want settings across devices. Once done, choose the integration path, official Chat GPT extension, a well-rated third-party option, or a simple bookmarklet. Make sure you also have an OpenAI account and your API key ready if the extension requests it. This setup step prevents interruptions later. It's quick, and it ensures the extension can authenticate and store preferences securely. Now install and configure. Open the Chrome Web Store, search for the exact extension name, and inspect reviews plus permissions to avoid overreaching access. Once you click Add to Chrome, read the permission prompt and allow only what's necessary. Cancel if it requests unrelated access. After installation, open the extensions options, paste your API key or sign in with OpenAI, and set defaults like model, temperature, and keyboard shortcuts. These settings control behavior and privacy, so adjust them before real use. Finish by verifying the integration. Open the extension pop-up or page action and send a simple prompt to confirm responses arrive quickly and correctly. If it doesn't work, first reload Chrome, disable other extensions that might conflict, and re-enter your API key. Often that fixes authorization glitches. Make sure the extension and Chrome are up to date, and if problems persist, reinstall the extension or contact the developer. One key tip: check permissions closely. Excessive denied permissions can...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.